Next stock we're going to be taking a look at is MSTX. This one was again requested over on YouTube. Stocks I'm going through right now were all requests. So MSTX currently traded at 14 cents. As a reminder, make sure you guys head over to investorshangout.com to check out the time and sales. We do pay attention to this stuff. You see a lot of wash trades over here between, it looks around the 10:53 time, and average trading down here, buy sell. Down here, nothing too abnormal with too many buys or too many sells or whatnot. So back over here on the chart, 14 cents. You guys are right now at a resistance level right now at 14 cents. It's going to be running back, hitting around the 12th, 13th, and the 17th and the 18th area. So that's going to definitely be a key area right there. Okay, so be watching for that 14 area to break. Zooming out, very nice stair steps here that you see, nice gradual gains. See that perfect uptrend, perfect uptrend. So shout out to the person that brought this over to us to take a look at. Really good find here, really good find. I do like what I see. Looks like this started right around the earnings when this one started to make this nice climb up. What I do like about it, looking at the chart, is when you go up, you're not coming straight down. It's just a nice go up and steady consolidation period to the right. The consolidation period is pretty lastly, if you want to say that, for it. But when it does go ahead and make its way up, it does quite a bit. 14 cents. If you guys end up breaking through that area, I just noticed this one too back there in the past. So that's definitely going to be a key resistance level. If 14 cents breaks, I really think that you guys are going to have some room to run here. 0.014. Again, I'm going to put this one on a watch. I think that this one has potential. Again, I'm going to put that over here at 14 cents. 1.4 on watch. If 0.14 breaks, it will move to the next level. I think it will, based on the chart. So like I said, I'm just saying that in there. I really think that this one does have the potential to break that 14. I'm saying that because I base it on the chart, and just that. So I base it, my calls always on the charts, and looking at the, add this in here, sorry about that. Okay, based on the chart and based on the volume that's been coming in, I think it's possible. If you do want to, make sure you head over here to investorshangout.com and check out MSTX if you'd like to follow the time and sales. It's going to give you a better idea of how this is trading. Joe, what do you have to add for this?
All right, so Mast Therapeutics Incorporated is a publicly traded biopharmaceutical company headquartered in San Diego, California. Mast's lead product candidate is AIR 001, is a sodium nitrate solution for intermittent inhalation via rehabilitation in phase 2 clinical development for treatment of HFpEF, which I don't know what that is, but I'm sure if we learned, well, we researched a little more on it. So anyways, their latest press release was Mast Therapeutics and Savara signed merger agreement, and that was on January 9th. It was Mast Therapeutics Incorporated and Savara Incorporated, a privately held emerging specialty pharmaceutical company focused on the treatment of rare respiratory diseases, today announced that the two companies have entered into a definitive merger agreement under which the stockholders of Savara would become the majority owners of Mast, and the operations of Mast and Savara would be combined, subject to stockholder approval. The combined company will advance a pipeline of novel inhalation therapies for the treatment of diseases with significant unmet medical needs, featuring 3 product candidates, each in advanced clinical development. And the 3 that are in the pipeline is Aerovance. It's an inhaled dry powder, vancomycin to treat chronic methicillin-resistant staphylococcus like MRSA, and then Malgradix, an inhaled nebulized CMCSF to treat pulmonary alveolar proteinosis, currently in the phase 2/3 development, and then the AIR001, an inhaled nebulized sodium nitrate solution to treat heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, currently in phase 2 development. So basically they go on to, tell you more about things like that, but then about the proposed merger, it states that under the terms of the merger agreement, pending stockholder approval of the transaction, Savera stockholders will receive newly issued shares of Mast common stock in exchange for their Savera stock. The exchange ratio was determined using a pre-transaction valuation of 115 million for Savera's business, based on its latest priced investment round and an acquisition of assets of Serendex Pharmaceuticals AS and 36.5 million of Mast business, premium to the 20-day volume weighted average share price of Mast. As a result, current Mast shareholders will collectively own approximately 24% of Savera stockholders, 24%, and Savera stockholders will collectively own approximately 76% of the combined company on a pro forma basis. So they actually had, on that day when they did this press release, a conference.
Okay.
So that conference right now, they're basically stating that the replays of the webcast will be available on Mast's website for 30 days. So you figure January 9th, so it's good till February 9th. And that is over on www.masttherapeutics.com/investors/events.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
All right. So, like I said, shout out to the person that brought us this over on YouTube. I'd have to take a look at my notes. I try to keep notes on everything. And over on YouTube right now, I just got 2 more requests. So, letting you know, I added those to the list. We're going to try to get through as many as we can today. Thank you very much, Joe, for all the detailed information. And like I said, if you want to find out more about it, make sure you go to that site that Joe just mentioned. And you can also check out investorshangout.com/live.